Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back here to the channel. We are so freaking close, so close from SHIB to breaking out of this channel. We're going to talk a little bit about it, guys. We were right here not too long ago, and the market's green today. SHIB is following suit, but we're really close for SHIB doing some tremendous things, getting back to where we were. Remember when we got back to about 50% of the all-time high? We were in the fours. We're not that far off. We're actually a lot closer than we think. And I'm going to show you guys why in this video. It's very close to happening. It's not going to take much. And recently I heard from, I think it was Lucy, the SHIB marketing lead. She was talking about how SHIB's price is getting ready to really break out of a big channel. Who knows, right? None of us have a crystal ball, right? However, she is right on some level, and I'll show you guys why. Because if we zoom out here on this chart, this is the daily. Okay, if we zoom out here on this chart, you guys can see just recently back in July, we got up to the mid twos. And where did we get to in September? The mid twos. We went up and tested it. We failed to kind of hold the line, but a lot of this was because of what? Iran attacking Israel, and it tanked the market. Otherwise, if that wouldn't have happened, I think we would have went right here. We were on a mission here. We had 3 days of green. That was out of our control, right? That was something that derailed the markets there beginning of the month. You can't foresee it coming. You can't plan for it. It just happens. So now with PPI data coming in today, we had CPI data coming in yesterday. CPI data wasn't great, but the markets really don't care. We had a little bit of a dip on Bitcoin back down below 60K. It was a buy the dip opportunity, like we always talk about. I've been saying this anytime Bitcoin's going down below 60K right now, I'm a big buyer. I think we're in a nice consolidation phase in the market. And then today, everything turns green. Take a look at this. Everything across the board is green right now. Hex is up 26%. WIF is up 11%. TAL 13%. TIA, SUI, one of my favorite plays, it's up 14%. Here, SHIB here, where the hell was it? There it is, 6% up. All right, so, but if we zoom out on this chart and we take a look at where we were when we got up into the fours here, you guys remember this, right? When we shot up here, this was back in March. Once we break through the twos here, there's nothing else holding us back. There's literally no resistance. So if we can get back to where we just were at the point of last month, late last month, and sustain it and not have an event like Iran and Israel, we can literally go from the mid twos to the mid fours in a hurry, like in a hurry. It's not going to take much at all. We had a little bit of a consolidation period in the mid twos, but there's really no strong resistance here at all whatsoever. Now, if we zoom out here on the weekly or monthly chart, you guys can see a little bit more what I'm talking about. Here you go. We had a little consolidation in the mid twos, but if we get back up here where we just were, September 23rd, there's not much holding us back. And once we get into the fours, you guys can zoom out here again. Here we'll meet a bunch of resistance. Okay. We will meet a bunch of resistance here because this is multi-year resistance going back to like 2022, 2023 bear market times before we really bottomed out, gave the zero back and the whole nine. But RSI looks really good. We look at RSI quite a bit. This is relative strength index. Anytime this is sitting around 50, which it is, that means the crypto's not overbought and it's not oversold, meaning buyers and sellers have met on a price. They're basically saying, hey, we're just waiting for new money to come in. We're comfortable where we are. We're not buying anymore. We're not selling anymore, which is beautiful. All we need now is demand. Once we get demand, I think we're going to press through these mid twos. When? Who knows? If I knew that, I wouldn't be making this video right now. But patience is a virtue, guys. I think we're closer now than ever. We still need Ethereum to move. That's been frustrating. Ethereum is moving a little bit today, up 2+%. But SHIB's kind of done its thing without it. I mean, if we get a few things, if we get Ethereum to move, if we get that new retail demand, that fresh money coming in, which I think eventually it'll come, probably after the election, coupled with the institutional money that's poured into crypto over the last year and a half, that's the perfect storm. That has the makings of SHIB setting a new all-time high. That has the makings of SHIB potentially going to $100 billion market cap, right? And that's what we're waiting for. So that's the video, guys. I think it's very close to happening. Who knows when exactly it's going to happen? but we were right there at the beginning of the month. If that whole Iran thing doesn't happen, I think we get back up and climb into the 4s again, like we were back in March. I really do. I think that, you know, stunted the whole market. Otherwise, we'd been in an uptrend the last 10 days. But we're recovering slowly but surely. SHIB's moving up. Market's moving up. Things are good. And we're out here in Vegas. So I'm going to go hang out in Vegas. Drop down below in the comment section what's your favorite thing to do in Las Vegas. Curious to hear you guys' thoughts on that. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you.